In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Deferit business account step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what to prepare, how to apply, how to integrate Deferit into your checkout, and how to go live with confidence. First, prepare what you'll need. Gather your legal business details, including your registered name, business number or tax ID, business address, and a reliable business email. Have your website or store URL ready, plus a short description of what you sell, your typical order value, and where you operate. You'll also want your bank account details for payouts and clear policies for refunds and customer support. A quick tip, make sure the name on your bank account matches your registered business name to avoid payout delays. Next, start your application on Deferit's business page. Click to get started, then carefully complete the form. Use your exact legal entity name, choose the right business category, and provide accurate volume estimates. If the form asks for supporting documents, upload clear, legible copies. Review the terms, create your login, and submit. Double-check everything. Small inconsistencies can slow approval. Now, wait for approval and eligibility confirmation. Timelines can vary, so keep an eye on your inbox and your spam folder. If Deferit requests more information, respond quickly and completely. If you're not approved right away, review any feedback they provide and correct mismatches in your application data. After approval, choose your integration method. Depending on your platform and resources, you might use a hosted checkout, an e-commerce plugin, or a direct API integration. If you want speed with minimal code, hosted or plugin options are usually quickest. If you need a fully tailored experience, plan for an API build with your developer. Then configure payouts and business settings, connect your verified bank account, select your payout schedule, and confirm your business profile details. Set your refund and dispute preferences, tax settings if required, and notification preferences. If you're adding teammates, assign appropriate permissions and turn on two-factor authentication for security. Before launching, test the flow end to end. Use test mode or a sandbox if available. Place a sample order and make sure Deferit appears at checkout as expected. Verify order statuses, settlement timelines, and confirmation emails. If refunds or partial captures are part of your process, test those too and note the results. Finally, go live and promote it. Switch to live mode, add Deferit badges at checkout and on key pages, update your FAQs, and train your support team to explain how it works. Announce the new option through your website and social channels. Then monitor early transactions, decline reasons, and payout reports so you can fine-tune quickly. That's it, your Deferit business account set up step by step.